Today, it's no coincidence that you're here. There's a powerful message from your angel meant for you, something that will completely change your perspective on the situation that's been consuming you. Someone, that person on your mind has something to say, something that goes beyond the obvious, something that touches deep within your heart and gives you the clarity you've been longing for. This revelation will show you exactly where you stand and how this person truly feels. It's no longer about assumptions. It's about knowing, feeling, and strengthening yourself with the truth that will lift you from doubt and give you the confidence you deserve. Stay with me until the end, because what you're going to discover today will transform your day. What this person is about to share with you comes from a very special place, something that touches the soul and heart deeply. It's not just another everyday conversation, but an expression filled with sincerity and truth. What you're going to hear is born from a genuine feeling, not out of fear, but out of love, understanding, and authenticity. It's something they need to tell you before the moment passes, before any opportunity is lost. And that's what makes this initiative so special, so valuable. What's about to be said will not only confirm what you already feel, but also bring a wave of well-being. It's not something that will make you anxious or worried, but rather something that will make you think, wow, this is truly amazing. The energy that comes with these words is strong, secure, full of certainty. It's not a vague expression, without commitment, as if someone were just testing the waters. Quite the opposite, it's a clear, powerful affirmation, a declaration of "I really like you." And that's what makes everything even more special. This person cares deeply about you, and what they want to tell you reflects that care, that affection. They want to be more present in your life, to share more moments with you, and this comes from a place of stability, of strength. It's not a fleeting feeling, but something that is rooted, that has depth. This represents the best of positive energy, true feelings, and clear thoughts, creating a moment that is powerful and unforgettable. The affection and love they feel for you are undeniable, and it's this intensity that makes this declaration so strong, so positive. They value the relationship you have very much, and they want you to know that. They want you to feel the importance you have in their life. This isn't just a simple gesture, but something that has the power to strengthen even more the bonds that unite you. It's a moment of truth, of connection, that goes beyond the ordinary, and that has everything to make your relationship even more solid and meaningful. They will approach you with a clear intention, but at the same time with a care that is hard to ignore. You might be surprised by an unexpected invitation, something simple but full of meaning, like, "Hey, how about we meet? I want to spend some time with you when you're available." This meeting, whether in person or over the phone, will be a special moment. Maybe they'll decide to call you suddenly, without warning, just to open their heart and talk about how they feel about you, about how you hold an important place in their life. During this conversation, you'll feel that it's a rare and valuable moment, an opportunity to connect in a way that goes beyond the superficial. They will take the initiative to make it clear that they are present, that they truly care, and that what they feel for you is strong, sincere, and deep. With every word, it will be evident that this isn't an attempt to deceive or manipulate. On the contrary, they will show in an honest way how much you mean to them. Their words will be confident, full of weight and intention. And suddenly, everything will make sense. You'll understand exactly what they want to say, and you'll realize that this isn't something one-sided. There's a shared feeling there, a mutual and real emotional commitment. You'll realize that this connection is something they deeply value, and that they are no longer that inconsistent person they might have been in the past. This approach, coming from the heart, will make it clear that they want to build something real with you. It's a sincere move that shows a genuine desire to be with you, to make your relationship grow and strengthen. So, at this very moment, your love is preparing to communicate with you sincerely and with an open heart, ready to express everything they feel. They want, with all their soul, to apologize for things that, even though they aren't their responsibility, still bother them. Maybe they'll say something like, "I'm sorry for not showing up earlier, I'm sorry for not doing more, I'm sorry for taking too long to act or speak." These words come from the depths of their heart, filled with a deep desire to fix any misunderstanding, any pain that has arisen between you. They want you to know that they recognize the importance of your relationship and that they are willing to do whatever it takes to strengthen this bond. Moreover, they feel that there is a powerful and unique connection between you, something that goes far beyond the surface, something truly special. They see you two as a perfect pair, a union that has the potential to grow and flourish. That's why they want to work on the issues that need to be resolved, to join forces so that you can move forward together towards a future they already envision by your side. They no longer want to run away from this connection. They don't want to postpone what they feel because they know there is something very valuable between you that deserves to be protected and cultivated. They have very real and deep feelings for you, feelings that make them think of you constantly. And they want you to know that. They want you to feel how important you are in their life, how much they want you to be by their side, sharing dreams, plans, and moments. Soon, they will approach you to express all of this clearly and directly, offering the confirmation and validation you may have been waiting for. At that moment, what they desire most is for you to be present, for you to listen with an open heart, because all you need to do is be there, listening to every word, every feeling they want to share. They are ready to open up, to make it clear that you are an essential part of their life, and all they ask is that you be ready to receive this message with all the love and care that exists between you. They are about to open their heart to you in a way you might not have expected. When they start to speak, it will be as if every word is loaded with sincerity, without beating around the bush or half-truths. There will be no need to guess what they feel or think. They will express themselves with clarity, revealing what's in their heart. It's something they feel so intensely that even their nights are affected. The thought of being close to you, of feeling your presence, is something they can't get out of their mind, an attraction that goes beyond simple physical desire. They long to be by your side, to feel the intimacy that only the two of you can share, that comforting warmth that only exists in each other's company, whether in the quiet of the night or in the simplest moments, like sharing a bed in peace. There's no hiding how being close to you makes them feel complete, fulfilled. This feeling is something they can hardly wait to share, but at the same time, they hope that you're open, that you're ready to hear and embrace what they have to say. Deep down, what they want most is for you to truly listen, without distractions or disinterest. They'll be watching every detail of your reaction, trying to understand if you're really present, if you're absorbing every word they're sharing. If you're talking on the phone, they'll pick up on any sign that your attention is elsewhere. If you're face-to-face, they'll notice your body language, any movement that indicates discomfort or distance. All of this because the last thing they want is for you to feel pressured or uncomfortable. Quite the opposite, their desire is for you to feel good by their side, to feel safe and cherished. They will tell you how much they love being in your company, how much they value the moments you spend together, whether they are great adventures or small everyday moments. They'll talk about how much they want to continue sharing experiences with you, exploring the world by your side, creating new memories together. And each of these moments, for them, is an important step towards something deeper, more meaningful. There is no intention to distance themselves. On the contrary, all they want is to get closer and closer, to strengthen the connection that already exists between you. What really matters to them is building something real, solid, something that can grow and deepen over time. They are investing not just words but real feelings, hoping that you are ready to reciprocate. This is the moment when all they want is to know that you are by their side, that you value this connection as much as they do, this possibility of something more. Deep down, all they seek is reciprocity, a sign that you are also willing to invest, to build, to let yourself be enveloped by what is blossoming between you. The truth is that between you, there is something that goes far beyond the ordinary. It's a connection you don't find just anywhere, an energy that flows between you so naturally that it almost seems magical. This happiness you already share, or are about to discover, is something that few people have the privilege of experiencing. It's not just about being together, but about feeling that you complete each other, that you are the perfect fit for one another. They believe, with all their heart, that you are made for each other. There's a synchronicity, a harmony that binds you in a way that goes beyond words, something only the universe, or better yet, God, could have prepared. They feel this deep within their soul. The connection between you is so strong, so intense, that it can't be ignored. To them, you're not just someone they want to spend time with, but someone with whom they want to build a future. A future full of love, partnership, and achievements. Of course, the decision on how things will proceed is up to you. You have the power to choose, to decide if you want to walk this path by their side. But know that from their side, there is an unshakable certainty that there is something special, something unique, that binds you in a way that few people are lucky enough to experience. They see in you an energy that enchants them, a light that attracts them in a way they can't explain but feel with all their being. Your presence is a relief to them, something that makes them feel at peace, understood, and above all, loved. To them, you are the expression of beauty in every sense, not just physically but spiritually as well. They see in you a good, generous soul, someone who lights up their days and makes everything seem easier, lighter, happier. The connection between you is so deep that, to them, being with you is like being at home. With you, they feel complete, fulfilled, and it's hard to imagine life without your presence. And it's not just the emotional side that matters. The physical intimacy also holds enormous weight. The attraction they feel for you is something that comes from within. It's intense, almost palpable. To them, you are everything they've ever wanted, the dream that came true, the happiness they've always sought. They see you as true happiness, the one that gives meaning and color to life. And what they desire most, deep in their heart, is that you feel the same. That you recognize this bond, this unique and special connection that exists between you, and that together you can live this true, deep, and God-blessed love. These words are from them, from the depths of their soul. They want you to know, to feel, to understand the importance you hold in their life. And more than that, they want the two of you to build something that goes beyond the ordinary, something that is truly meaningful because deep down, they believe you were made for this. When they finally come close to talk, it will be as if everything that was hidden, all the doubts and uncertainties, are about to dissipate. The feeling will be one of anticipation, almost palpable, and it's natural for your heart to race, for expectation to take over. But it's crucial to realize that what's coming shouldn't be faced with fear or insecurity. What they bring with them is pure energy, something that comes from a place of true love, full of affection and a deep desire to strengthen the connection between you. There will be no running away, no fears. They are there, present, ready to care for and nurture the bond you've built. That's why it's vital that you maintain confidence, leaving no room for doubts about their intentions or what this relationship can achieve. It's quite common, especially in moments of uncertainty, for people to end up losing a great opportunity for love. Often, a lack of faith, whether in themselves or in the other person, prevents something true from blossoming. Doubt, the feeling that maybe it's not the right time, or impatience with difficulties, can become barriers that block the growth of a relationship. However, it's important to remember that not everything comes down to passive patience. Sometimes life places obstacles because there are lessons that each one still needs to learn individually. Before a couple can truly unite deeply and meaningfully, both need to be ready, complete in their own journeys. Think about this. Maybe this is the situation you find yourself in now. Perhaps there are still issues to be resolved, aspects of both of you that need attention before you're ready for this love. And while you wait for the right time, take the opportunity to cultivate an attitude of gratitude. Give thanks every day for what you already have, the chance to live and experience, the ability to love and be loved, the health that sustains you, and even the challenges that make you grow. Every act of gratitude brings you closer to what you desire, creating a field of positive energy around you. Never underestimate the power of a positive attitude and faith in the process of life. The universe, which is an expression of God's love, works in ways we often don't understand at first glance but always have a just and perfect purpose. By cultivating gratitude and faith daily, you are paving the way for the love you so desire. A true, lasting love that is destined to come to you at the right moment when you and they are ready to truly meet. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe wants the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your decision may be. Type, "I receive and accept my destiny and everything the universe has to offer me" to claim this message and the blessings contained in it for yourself. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who might need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's lift each other up and create waves of good energy together. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe right now and stay tuned for the important message waiting for you in the next video. May God and the universe light your path with peace, love, and faith. Amen.